Student, today we are going to learn second chapter of EVS 2 work of saints. First paragraph. The tradition of sons that begin in Maharashtra with Sri Chakradhar, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Chokha Mela was continued by sons coming from various strata of society. Strata means level, means they belong from different caste, creed and religion. In this group of sons are included Sant Gorova, Sant Sauta, Sant Narhari, Sant Eknath, Sant Sheikh Muhammad, Sant Tukaram, Sant Niloba, etc. Means all these were men. Similarly, Sant Janabai, Sant Soirabai, Sant Nirmalabai, Sant Muktabai, Sant Kanhopatra and Sant Bahinabai Shirurkar are also included. Means all these were women. So what did they teach to the people that given explained in the second paragraph? They taught people various virtues like compassion, compassion यानी pity, दया, non-violence यानी अहिंसा, charity यानी दान धर्म, service सेवा, equality समानता and brotherhood means भाईचारा. No one is inferior, no one is superior. कोई भी नीच नहीं है, ऊंच नहीं है. All are equal. Such was the sentiment. Sentiments means feelings, emotions that was created by sons in the mind of people. Similarly, Samartha Ramdas also rendered his work in Maharashtra. Means Ramdas Swami also gave service in Maharashtra. First sant has given here Sri Chakradhar Swami. Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince from Gujarat. He became an ascetic and came over to Maharashtra. Means he was prince from Gujarat and he again came to Maharashtra. He moved all over Maharashtra preaching equality. Means he taught people equality. He roamed in Maharashtra. He did not believe in any discrimination based on gender or caste. Means he did not believe any difference based on gender or caste. Several men and women became his follower, became his disciple. The sect he established is known as Mahanubhav sect. Means he formed or he established one group that is based on different religious thought, and that name was given to that sect was Mahanubhav sect. Means Mahanubhav Panth. Memorable incidents from his life have been compiled in a book titled Leela Charitra. Means that in Leela Charitra most importance of his life's incidents has written. Next Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Vitthal. He lived in village Narasi. He composed numerous songs in the praise of God. Means he was also devotee of Vitthal and he also lived in village Narasi. He composed many songs. Kirtan, songs and stories based on religious theme. If you listen Kirtan, you understand that that is based on songs and stories, and that teach something to us, different values to forget our day-to-day life, isn't it? Everywhere and brought about general awakening among the people. Means he again taught to the people. He moved all over Maharashtra to spread Bhagavad Dharma and taught the people deep devotion to God. Bhagavad Dharma means he again taught to the people to become devotee of God, Vitthal. He instilled in them the desire to protect their religion. Instill means establish thought in their mind. He again inspired to people to protect their religion. Do not change their religion. Sant Namdev later traveled all over India spreading the message of humanity. Means he traveled all over India and he taught to the people about humanity and equality. He traveled to the Punjab and spread the message of equality among the people there. He composed songs in Hindi. Even today, some of his verses, means songs, are included in Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib is also holy book of Sikh, isn't it? So, in that also holy book, there are some songs, some verses are given of this Sant Namdev. His songs are still sung all over Maharashtra with great love and devotion. Means this Sant Namdev and Sri Chakradhar Swami, they spread the message of humanity, equality, and they were the devotee of God. Sant Namdev's also some songs also written in Guru Granth Sahib, and lot of means all his songs are still sung in our Maharashtra or all over India. So these are the explanation of two sons.